Hello everyone, Erica from AndaraAwakening.com. And today I wanted to do a little tutorial in how to program your intentions into your Andara crystals. It's very simple. So before I get into that, just a little bit of background if we could rewind. So Andara, and this here is a sea foam elder, which has some of the attributes of all Andara contained within it. They're absolutely beautiful, deeply clearing. They're amazing. So, the crystals that we've worked with up to this point, we can buy the, hundreds of crystal books. And it gives a picture. This is what they look like. This is where they are from. These are the minerals that are contained within them. These are the spiritual properties, the healing properties, etc. And it's very, in a way, scientific. It's very cut and dry. But with the Andara, we are called to go beyond all of those labels and descriptions and the box. Because Andara are infinite beings in stone form that reflect the infinite nature that is within us. So they're not bound by rules or certain color has to go in a certain chakra, or this is exactly what they do. As I've been working with them for over a decade, yes, I see some patterns of what they do for us, depending on the species. And on my site, we have the picture and we have a description that's been channeled. However, Andara go beyond that. So I always say to people, be open for way more. This description is really just opening the door, and it's the tip of the iceberg as to what you can experience with each Andara. Because the highest truth I can share with you is that an Andara is going to give you exactly what it is you need in any given perfect now moment, whether that is healing, whether that is clearing, whether that is DNA activation and expansion, whether it's multidimensional travel, soul retrieval, generational healing, environmental healing, opening, clearing, expanding, and elevating your chakras, nadis, meridians, clearing your auric field, removing entities or other things that have been implanted that are not optimal for you and that are limiting you in some way. The Andara really do like to go for things that are limiting you. They also work on our beliefs that we hold, the stories we have bought and sold to ourselves that are not true, that are also limiting. Because they call us to our highest version of ourselves, the most unified, the most coherent, the most loving, the most harmonious. So it is true to say that it doesn't matter the color you get. It doesn't matter the description on the website. Truly what matters, because each Andara knows who its owner is, and there's never a mistake with it. In fact, there's never mistakes in life, period. But the Andara that is yours, or the Andara that are yours, they're going to draw you in. So when people ask me, can you give me a clue as to what Andara would be optimal for me? And I like to put the power back in other people's hands. Yes, I could easily, tap in and, these ones would be, I can do that. And have I done it? Yes. However, I like to put the power back in your hands and say, spend some time on the site. Spend some time and sit and tune into each picture, because a true Andara emits its frequencies through pictures and videos. In fact, That's how my first experience with an Andara came, was through a picture on Facebook. And it was one of my top 10 spiritual experiences and openings and activations and elevations of my entire life, my entire spiritual journey. It's in my top 10. So I tell people, tune into the picture, and there will be a heart connection. There will be an opening of the heart. You may even get emotional. I cried. I sobbed. And it wasn't because I was sad. It was because I felt as though I was reuniting with long lost family members that I didn't know I had. So there can be emotion, but there's typically like a heart connection. And so say you gaze at some pictures, and there's one or many that you feel like attracted to, and they'll let you know, because they'll either keep coming into your consciousness, they keep popping up on the screen of your mind, and they won't leave you alone. They do that, or they'll come into your dream state in some form or fashion. You might just not be able to stop thinking about it, or there's a myriad of ways, but they let you know. So truly, your only job is to know what Andara you really resonate with, that you connect with. And then the Andara takes you on a journey and does the rest. It's magical, major synchronicities, deep, deep, deep cellular healing, and so much fun. Like, once you get on the magic carpet ride that is Andara Crystals, life is never the same. Okay? However, they do respond to our intention. And so say you want to program your Andara or Andaras with an intention. So 2 ways that I really enjoy doing, or 3 ways I enjoy doing this. And there's no one way. There are these 3 that I love, and then there's a zillion others. So do what resonates with you. That's the most important thing. Do what feels good to you, because if it feels good to you, it is likely to be more powerful. Okay. With that said, so say I want to program the Andara with an intention. So I'm holding it in my hands, and I'm using I'm visualizing, and I like to speak the intention out loud, because there's magic in the speaking. And all of the universe is the witness, the observer to what it is you're intending, especially as you speak it out loud. Okay? So holding it in my hands, and I ask, pray, and intend that this divine solar fire, this seafoam elder, so obviously something's coming in. Okay, this seafoam elder is helping me to cleanse my lineage, to heal my lineage of that which doesn't serve us, that which is limiting. Any resentments or unforgiveness that are within my family, amongst ourselves, or with other people, and other people with us and our family. So just say that's my intention, okay? Holding in my hands, and I like to bring it to my third eye and send that intention. Bring it to my heart and just allow my heart to open and flood the Andara with my intention. So you can hold it like this, or place it right against your heart like this, or you speak the intention aloud and forcibly, with a shamanic breath, blow the intention into your Andara. I have found that these are super powerful ways to really infuse the Andara with my intention. And then, because of the intention I made for family, for lineage, what I might want to do is get out pictures of all family members, put the pictures out, and lay this Andara on top of the pictures, allowing it to just create a grid, create a web of light and healing for it to go out. Say you want to program an Andara for more abundance, for more prosperity, for more success, for more opportunity. You could program your Andara, asking it to, I asked this Andara, I asked this Seafoam Elder to flood radical abundance, forever flowing abundance into my bank accounts, into my savings, into my investments, into my mind, body, spirit life. Open me to new opportunities to create more flow of abundance, prosperity, and success in my life, please and thank you. So something like that. And get out your checkbook or print out your investments. Put the Andara on there. You want to create more love. You want to create an ideal mate. You can, one thing I tell people, if you want to create the partner of your dreams, clues are into your past relationships. So take a piece of paper, you write down everything that you loved about them, that you adored about them, the blessing that they brought into your life. Write all of that down and then step back and look, and that is who you want to attract into your life. And you program the Andara and place it on top of that piece of paper of that ideal partner. Goals, dreams, hopes, desires, write them down. Program the Andara. Ask the Andara to clear you of any energy blocks or hidden agendas or hidden shadows contained within you that is blocking you from creating this highest destiny reality. And then asking the Andara to activate you and harmonize you so that you can step into that new vibrational reality and manifest those hopes, dreams, goals, desires here and now. You write them down on a piece of paper, you program your Andara and put it. So with the, especially with the Andara, you can do so much more. Yes, you can work on yourself. Yes, you can heal yourself. Yes, you can elevate yourself. But you can also use the Andara for so much more. The only limits are the ones in your mind. So let us ask, pray, and intend that you open your mind now to all of the unlimited, magical, beautiful ways that you can use your Andara crystals to live your highest destiny life now and always. Open all areas of your life to the beautiful blessings that life has in store for you, that's already destined. We've just got to align with that, right? Open to that. Clear out the energy that's keeping us from it. So I hope that you have found this tutorial helpful. Have fun. Have so much fun with your Andara. And if you have any questions or want to share your fun Andara experiences, post them in the comments below. So for now, all my love, take care, and infinite blessings to you and your family.